Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2020 Ford F-150 STX with a 101A package. The exterior color is magnetic, and under the hood we have a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, an engine block heater connection, and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Hankook tires. We also have a pair of running boards, as well as black mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy tinted windows. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel. We have a power locking tailgate with a tailgate step, as well as a backup camera. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating, and our 40-20-40 arrangement provides room for a third passenger up front. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, as well as other apps. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have a console gear shift with select shift option for the driver, as well as dual cup holders. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. Our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions with this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.